Welcome to the next video on flat. In this video we are going to see construction of a transition system M accepting the language LG for a given regular grammar G. Let G is equal to VTPS be the regular grammar. Here non-terminal alphabet consists of A0, A1 till AN. T is terminal alphabet which is equal to sigma. P is the production rule and A0 is the starting symbol. Now we have to construct a transition system M corresponding to this grammar. How we are going to do this? The states of the transition system M will correspond to the non-terminal, that is A0, A1 till AN. Initial state corresponds to the start symbol, that is A0, and the transition in the transition system M correspond to the productions in P. So how we define? Let M be the transition system. Q, sigma, delta, Q0 and F, that is Q0, Q1 till Qn corresponding to the A0, A1 till AN and one new final state. Sigma corresponding to the terminal alphabet sigma, delta transition function, Q0 is the initial state corresponding to the A0 which is the start symbol of the grammar and QF is the final state. Now delta is defined as, consider a production of the form AI is rewritten as AAJ and it induces a transition from the state QI to QJ and the level will be A. So QI to QJ and the level will be A. This is going to happen in the transition system. Now consider this type of production. AK is rewritten as A, only terminal on the RHS. Then we have to do the transition from QK corresponding to AK state, and this one is the final state and level will be the terminal symbol. So in this way we are going to construct the transition system. Let us understand with an example. Suppose you are provided with this grammar V, T, P and S. Okay. Production rules are A0 is rewritten as AA1, A1 is rewritten as BA1, A1 is rewritten as A and A1 is rewritten as BA0. So we have to construct a transition system M accepting the language generated by this grammar G. Now you can see all the productions are of type 3. So what we have to do? We have to construct the transition system. Now states will be having Q0, Q1 and QF corresponding to this non-terminal. Then the sigma will be the terminal alphabet A and B. Delta will be defined. Initial state will be the state corresponding to the start symbol, that is Q0, and we have already defined one final state. Now considering the production rules, we are going to construct the transition diagram. So Q0 is the initial state. If you see this production, A0 is rewritten as AA1. So Q0 will be given the transition labeled A to A0. Now A1 is rewritten as BA1. So this is going to happen. Q1 upon receiving symbol B goes to Q1. Next A1 is rewritten as A. So we have to introduce the final state and transition from Q1 to QF with the label A. A1 is rewritten as BA0. So corresponding to A1 we have Q1 and corresponding to A0 we have Q0. So there will be transition from Q1 to Q0 labeled with B. So QF is the final state denoted like this. In this way, we have constructed the transition system corresponding to the regular grammar G. Thank you for watching.